Hi, my name is Taylor Garran, and I play the role of Lily Martin in Sound of Faith. So the role of Lily is that she's a student nurse who ends up coming into the main character's life and gives him the opportunity to show off his musical talent at her church. The way that I brought Lily to life is that her personality and mine are very much the same. We're both very friendly and bubbly and just overall positive and want to help people. Honestly, the favorite scene was the first one that I'm featured in, which was in the nurse's office. Not only was it my first day on set, but also like my first time doing any kind of film acting. All my other experience in acting was through the stage, mostly musical theater, so it was cool going through the experience on the other side of acting. Meeting everybody, like at the very beginning, because like everybody was so much fun and I just loved hanging out with everybody, both on and off set. I think one part that surprised me was how we did the performance scene at the church. Just like all of like the bits and pieces that went into it, from the band to the lights and sound. I just thought it was very well directed and very well done. Trying not to look at the camera or breaking if something went wrong.
So, what do you play?
Definitely at the end of the shoot when we all played Jackbox in the Airbnb. That was a lot of fun.
Oh, why?
It got very chaotic at the end, but it was just a great time. I loved it so much. I'm just excited to see everybody's work like come full circle into this film. I'm just so excited to see everything.